Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. Next, I will put this one go to the right, y go to the right, and now we have like this. Next, we divide both sides by x. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So, in this situation, we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we have negative 1 over s next to y. This is for integrating factor, and we have e to the power of the integration of negative 1 over s, and this one that is about negative lnx. So we put the negative go inside about natural log in here. And this one we have s to the power of negative number 1. And we can put like this. That means we multiply both sides by this one. This one we have lnx over s squared. This one we have y over s squared. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we need to use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y over s. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to lnx. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s over s dv, that is about 1 over s squared dx. The integration of this one, we have v equal to negative 1 over s. So we have u multiplied by v, and that is about negative 1 over s lnx, minus we have the u multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have the positive. Now we have the integration dx over s squared. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over s, and I will put about c. So we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.